Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we just take a look the top 7 features of Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without any delay, let's get started. So let's move into the first features of Redmi Note 5 Pro. So here you can see that you just connect to a Wi-Fi. Now you can share your Wi-Fi with the hotspot. So let me show you. We can turn on the hotspot at the same time while you are using another Wi-Fi. Here you can see this is a quite new features which is coming in the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and it will be really nice. So second hidden features is the custom font. So simply going to the theme and click on this text style and you can apply some custom font. So here you can see that there are a bunch of fonts you can apply which is coming in the Redmi phone. So third feature you can got that the automatic call recording. So we can record call automatically whenever we got that any call. So simply going to your phone, then going to the option. So here you can see that setting button. Now just we can got that the call recording. So simply click on and turn on the automatically call records. So now you can enable these features and we can record your call automatically whenever you got any type of call. So let's move to the next one. Another thing you can got that is the 4K recording. Yeah guys, you can record 4K videos in our Redmi Note 5 Pro, but that video setting not given by in the default setting. Here you can see that we can just record up to the full HD records. So we need to download a simple application called that Open Camera app. Just simply open it and just go to the option. And here you can see that in the video setting that video resolution you can just select highest 4K HD Ultra HD mode. Just click on OK. Now just go back and here you can see that you can just record almost 4K videos at the time. So another thing we can got that is the double tap to wake up. So we can get the double tap wake up gesture in the display section. Now we can just simply turn it on. Here you can see. Now just turn off your device and double tap to turn on your screen and unlock your phone by the face lock. Okay guys, so this much in this video. Hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will meet in the next one. Peace. Why